Good evening. My name is Girdaya, and I have been a Growing Star student for about 4 years now. I first started taking classes in the 8th grade, and I believe the classes were algebra and science. Now, throughout my 4 years with Growing Stars, they really helped me become the type of student I want to be. For example, I'm not exactly the smartest, the sharpest tool in the shed, so to speak. But I believe that I'm a hard worker, and Growing Stars believe that too. And if you're a hard worker, Growing Stars will get you where you want to be. In specific, I would like to point out the assistance that I got from Revati, my pre-calculus tutor. Now, when I first started AP pre-calculus, the class was very difficult, and I seemed to have no understanding of the concepts that were taught to me. However, as Revati later pointed and taught out to me, it was not the fact that I didn't understand the concepts, I just needed a different way of seeing them so as to, understand them. And so, Revati helped me study for the class, and in turn, my grade went up by almost 25 points. Overall, I would rate Growing Stars one of the best tutoring services that I've ever done, and I highly recommend that you try it out for yourself too.